Hi, welcome back at Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about most important Excel function whose name is pivot table, which help you for your data analysis. So first of all, we try to inform you what is pivot table. The pivot table is a data summarization tool in Excel that can automatically sort, count, total or average data stored and in spreadsheet. It allows user to extract meaningful insight from complex large dataset by summarizing the information in a table format. Okay, now I try to explain you what is the difference between the normal table. This is normal table. You see, this is normal table, and what is the difference between normal table and pivot table. Okay, normal table actually this is table only for with raw and unaggregated data. On the other hand, pivot table is aggregated data based on pivot table structure. On the other hand, chart type, regular chart, bar, line, pie in normal table, and pivot table chart automatically linked to pivot table, and dynamic update. Okay, in normal table, static manual update need if data changes. On the other hand, the dynamic changes in pivot table. And interactivity, fixed require manual changes to data or chart range in normal table. On the other hand, the high interactive change pivot table layout and in chart update automatically. So hope that you understand very well the difference between table and the pivot table. Okay, now I want to show it with example. Here you see that this is data of product, region, name, unit, sales, COGS. Okay, COGS means cost of goods sold. So here you see that this is date. Okay, this is date, and here is various date, and this is product, and this is region name. This is United States region name, and this is customer name, the person who are purchased, and this is unit, how many unit are purchased, and this is sales value, and this is cost of goods sold. So in this video I'll try to explain how the pivot table are important than normal table. Let's start with Hawk Academy. And now I show you how you find your word. Select this. If you find any specific or special word from this line or text, and you can do it by Control F. Here you see that this is you insert. Can go here. Here is find option. Okay, and go to find here. Okay, find, and you can write here pivot table, ability, recommended pivot table, and table ability. You see that ability now are shown if in I make a pivot table, I need to go and pivot table find. Okay, now I'll show you here. You see that replace the shortcut word from table or range. Okay, and you can also replace by already selected. Here you see that this is replace option. It means control now you see that click here where you want the pivot table to be placed, and I can write this here is source where it from ability, and this is and I can source write here where I enable this table are placed. Enable, you see there is two options, new worksheet all. And here you see that worksheet. All ability if are you enabled. Try to calculation this pivot table in existing option worksheet, you can click here, otherwise you can click here. So I try to that you understand well. Click here and stay tuned with Hawk and Academy. Click here. It means that I make my pivot table in this existing sheet. Okay, and you see that this is range, and you should select here and choose the range. Okay, and I can choose this. Okay, and you see the pivot table are already take its range and click OK. You see that the pop-up are already created. Okay, now I try to make a pivot table. Okay, and go to here. First of all, you see there is various option: date, product, region, name, unit, sales, and cost of goods sold. That means COGS. Okay, first of all, I try to date wise data analysis. Okay, here first of all the date are in here. Okay, you see that here is 3 month already selected: June, July, August. Okay, I try to find out how many product are sold in the month of June. Okay, and here you see that this is sales item, and every sales item or every figure should go to in value. Okay, you see that here I got the value of every sales item. Okay, according to month wise, here is 3 months: July, June, and August. If I try to analysis this result by date, I can do it. If I can do it by here, you see that you have to right click in on the month and go to group. You see that group, and you should select day wise. It means you show day wise and OK. Okay, you see that this is day wise data are selected: 26th June, 16th July, and 1st August, 2nd August, 3rd August. You see that it's already show you date wise. Okay, and if you want to analyze this data by region, okay, and I select the whole data according to region. Okay, this is product, and I select this region. So you see that the each and every product are shown by region. Okay, you can also add here the date. What date, how many product are sales in according to region. Okay, and you see this. Okay, each and every service, each and every product are sales in here according to region and according to date and according to product. Okay, and I try to show you the region wise cost of goods sold. Okay, cost of goods sold. You see that the according to product wise cost of goods sold are available here. It means that cloud service, sum of sales, sum of cost of goods sold. Okay, and this is each and every product wise and date wise. Okay, and if I try to show you this data according to product wise, here you have to remove this date and go to product. Okay, this is region, and you can remove this. Here you see that this is region wise, and you also show it date wise. Okay, and you can click here. You see that this is date wise, and you can remove this date. Okay, and you can show it unit wise. Here you see that the unit wise data and region wise data are available. Okay, this is sales and this is unit, and you can pop up this unit on above. Okay, you see that the unit, okay, 30 unit sales in California. Okay, and you also analysis this data by this sales item and remove all. Okay, remove all, and first of all you can do it by date. Okay, only I show it month wise. Okay, month wise. Okay, here you see that this data are converted in month, and if I show you this data only region wise, how many product are sales. Okay, how many product are sales and what are the goods sold. Okay, what are the goods sold. You see that the each and every region wise product are available and the sales item, and this is cost of goods sold. Okay, and now you can also add here date. Okay, and this date you can also add by slicer. Here you see that this is slicer. Okay, and for more explanation you can also add here a graph which is very easy to explain your data to your audience. Okay, you can show a graph for your more explanation. Okay, and you can do this. I try to show you July month data. Okay, this is product wish. You see that the cyber security in Arizona state, and you can add value, then it will be clear. It will be clear. You see that in cyber security item sales in Arizona state. Okay, the sum of the sales figure, and this is sum of the cost of goods sold figure. So if you also analyze this data some other ways, here you can remove the product. Okay, and if you only explain the region who are the best seller, who are the worst seller, you can explain. Okay, and you also analyze this data with product wise. Here you see that region and remove, and you can add here product. Okay, the product, which product are the best sales. Okay, and you can explain here. It means that 4350 data are the highest value. That means cyber security item are the best selling product in July month. Okay, now I show you August month. You can see August month, this is product wise. Okay, and if you explain which area are the best sales area in this product, you can go here, remove product, and go to here. Here you see that in August month, Genoa is the best selling area in August month. And if you want to, who are the best sales person, okay, you can select the name. You see that Mr. David are the best selling person in the month of August. Okay, now if you want to explain who are the best salesperson in the month of July, you can click here. You see that Mr. Christopher and Michael. It seems to me that who are the best salesperson in July month. Okay, you can also add here the region. Okay, and what will happen? You see that the person from Colorado, Michael is from Colorado, who are the best salesperson, and 4350850 and okay, and Nevada Christopher, it means that second salesperson, and sorry, third salesperson, and Arizona Thomas is third salesperson. So you can get your data with very easily, and you can analysis your data with very interactively, and which you explain your value and your vision and your mission, and you can find out the best and worst salesperson, and you can also find out the best and worst sales area of your product. So in last, I try to explain you there is huge difference between normal table and a pivot table, and you guys hope that understand very well the pivot table. So stay tuned with Hawk Academy. Thank you very much.